Hi, welcome back. Daniel Parsons, really excited. It's the 26th of July, 2023, and I am going to give you an overview of the benefits of the Life Farm is the name of the company that has a device called the Cellnergy Wellness Device. It's terahertz wave therapy with red light therapy. And I want to give you all my disclaimers right off the bat. I'm a marketing professional. My education is a Bachelor of Arts in Business Administration, Marketing, and Economics from Washington State University. And my background, I was an airline employee, and the airline outsourced our whole work group in Seattle. And so I jumped into the wellness industry because I saw the trends that we were all getting older. We all want better health, we want better wealth, and we want time freedom. And so the wellness field has just skyrocketed since I came in 2005. It was very small compared to what it is now. And so I want to quickly go into screen share and pull up some information for you, because knowing what the red light therapy does with this Cellnergy wellness device, by the way, it's $350 in the United States of America and Canada, and the shipping is included. It's we just had a team member over in the United Kingdom. It was 342 pounds sterling with her value-added tax, and that included quick shipping from our Netherlands warehouse. And it's 339 euros with a little bit of tax, not a whole bunch of tax. If I had to guess, you're looking at in US dollars, probably close to what the UK price at 342 pounds. So it's around 400 and something when you pay the specific tax for your country. I've got some recent quotes for France and Germany. It's a little bit of difference because the tax rates are a little bit different. And we have devices all over the world in warehouses ready to ship, 220 in the 220 volt countries and 110 in the 110 volt countries. So on this website, this is an informational website, and I'm not a doctor, I'm not a medical provider, I'm not an engineer. I'm just a marketing person that does the marketing and sales, and I team build. I have all kinds of tools that I use to keep people alerted, to get their questions answered, weekly conference calls. I have the latest conferencing software that's far superior to Zoom. It's called meetin.com, and my room is /Parsons. But this informational website right now, eggoflife.com /Daniel. And then you see right here my contact information. Okay, so we want to go down a little bit here. And Life Farm Global Network launches the Cellnergy Wellness Device as a distributor price at $350 with a 2-year warranty. And so I want you to click on the details here. And this is going to, I'm going to stop share because sometimes there's a problem when I transfer to a different page, and I want to make sure that I transfer over to the right page. So now I'm pulling this up, and hopefully this is going to work. I'm having to learn how to do all this technology. So Cellnergy Wellness, there's a powerful video right here, and we're asking our scientific advisory team to even go deeper into their explanation. But I'm not going to read everything here because this is basics about heating up the bone marrow and how you're releasing the body's ability to repair and rebuild itself. And at this point, it's a very good time to interject my FDA disclaimer. On all of my websites, I have an FDA disclaimer. The products that Daniel Parsons Ministry LLC out of Olympia, Washington markets and sells are not intended to treat, cure, diagnose, prevent any disease or illness. This is all simply educational material. And so here's your technology report. And terahertz waves penetrate deep into the bone marrow and vibrates at the same frequency as healthy cells to help stimulate cellular regeneration for accelerated tissue repair and overall vitality. Red light therapy penetrates the skin deeper than all light colors to boost cellular energy, and it's got in parentheses ATP. Now, I do remember that ATP all the way back in chemistry class in the 1970s at Episcopal High School in Alexandria, Virginia. However, I don't remember the long word about it, but I remember ATP, which is cellular energy. So this helps support increased collagen production, increased blood circulation, accelerated healing, and reduced inflammation, fine lines, and wrinkles. So heat therapy delivers controlled heat to targeted areas to help enhance blood flow, encourage nutrient delivery to cells, aid in elimination of toxins, alleviate pain, reduce muscle tension, and promote relaxation. So get your benefits. And so they're all listed right there. But this is what I really want to point out to you. Right here is the Cellnergy Wellness Brochure. If you click on that, it's a PDF file. Cellnergy Wellness Manual right there. Click on that, and it's a PDF file. Very professionally done. So top 7 evidence-backed benefits of red light therapy. And so this is all from Life Farm. There's a scientific advisory board of 3 doctors. And so you can find that on my Life Farm, mylifefarm.com/Daniel website. So I'm going to click this top 7 evidence. And now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go back off of screen share just to go back over here and make sure that I get to the right page. So 7 benefits of red light therapy, and share. And I hope this is that I figured it out, that every time you move to a different page, you have to go back into Meet in software. So guess what? The number 1 backed benefits, and this is evidence-backed benefit of red light devices. RLT means red light therapy. Weight loss. Who doesn't want to lose some weight? Get rid of stubborn fat and cellulite. Okay, it doesn't happen overnight, but you just keep going and you're going to see some results. I have seen some incredible results. I've got my very first Terahertz device in January of 2022, and I have noticed some definite results from using my devices. So, and you can read all of these: muscle repair and soreness and improved performance. And I'm sure that happens to many of us as we get out and exercise. Chronic pain. This is a real crisis in the world. Get long-lasting pain relief. Okay. And wound healing, recover from injuries faster. Hair loss, grow healthier, thicker hair. 6, skin health, treat acne, psoriasis, and Rosacea, and I might have not said that right. I'm sorry if I did. Stop acne breakouts, treat psoriasis and rosacea, collagen production, reduce wrinkles and scars, anti-aging. As we age, our body stops producing collagen. This leads to all the common signs of aging: wrinkles, sagging skin, and more. High collagen levels are critical to having soft, smooth, and firm skin. So you can read all of this right here: reduce scars and stretch marks. Final thoughts. I'll go ahead and read that for you. And they've got this all documented with the National Institute of Health website. As you can probably tell by now, red light therapy has many benefits. Plus, it comes with 0 side effects and is completely non-invasive. Red LED light devices work with your body to naturally produce long-lasting benefits. After all, what other things out there can promise all these amazing benefits with just one simple product? I've only included the top 7 benefits. People who use RLT also report things like improved mood, better sleep quality, and increased testosterone in men. Although many of these anecdotal benefits are not yet backed by comprehensive scientific studies. Okay, so here are your references with the National Institutes of Health. And so there you go. And all the team members that come on board are given a site just like this. So that's it. I'm going to go off screen share and we will stop the video recording and we will have more as soon as we have more. God bless you until then. Bye for now.